Okay, welcome back to the next part. Now, in that, if you notice here in the Photoshop picture, you have a piece of wood up here, and then another one here, but it's a little bit smaller than this one, so that these chimes go around this piece, and when the wind blows, obviously it hits against this wood and makes that annoying sound that those wind chimes make. Um, so what we'll need first is to let's go in here and save this out. So I'm going to go down here to my architectural section, the wind chime section, and I'm going to make a new folder and just call it wind chime parts. And this is going to be large wood. Okay, and then up here we're going to name this large wood as well. Okay, so now we need to have the smaller one. So let's holding down shift and just drag down a copy. Okay, and then let's scale this up like so, and then let's go into non-uniform scale. Just make that piece a little bit thicker. I think we can even make this a little smaller. There you go. Okay, so now we have both of these pieces, the top piece of wood and the bottom piece of wood. Okay, let's save that as both wood round parts. Okay, and this one we're going to call small wood. Okay, so now we have both of those pieces of wood. And if you notice here in this Photoshop picture, you'll see there's this kind of thing hanging on the bottom. That's, again, it's a wooden piece. It's rounded on the top and sides. So let's go ahead and build that. Okay, let's grab both of these pieces and hide that selection. Go up here to box. Let's drag that out like so. And let's go ahead and put an edit poly modifier on there. Let's grab these edges. Well, first let's put a decent texture on here so we can see it. Okay, let's zoom in. Okay, let's zoom in here as well. Okay, so I want to select just these edges. Okay, and let's zoom back out. And now let's go to, let's see, I want to do just these top ones first. So then we'll do chamfer. And let's do about 6 sides on that. Okay, and then I'm going to do these bottom ones. And we're going to move this up so we can see it. Let's chamfer that, but less. Okay. And let's pull this out a little bit. Let's grab these top ones and let's non-uniform scale. Be like that. Okay. And again, so that we have the right size, let's go here to box. And we're going to make this, let's see, let's go here, create a box. Okay. And we want to make this box. I'm going to make the box length 5 inches. And let's make the width, let's 3.5 inches, and don't worry about the height. Okay, so let's zoom out. Let's grab this piece. Let's scale this and move it down a little. Scale it up a little more. And that should be about right. Okay. So we can get rid of this box now. We don't need it. And it looks too thick to me, so I'm going to grab this polygon here, and I'm just going to move it in a little bit. Make it a little bit thinner. Okay. And we want to make sure that we have that centered. Okay, and then let's go up here to the hierarchy tab, adjust pivot, center to object, and then I'm going to pull this up to about here, because it's going to be, there's going to be a hole in this. So let's go back, make a little cylinder. Okay, and let's drag it through there, and let's move it up to about the center, like so. Let's grab this, and we're going to go here to compound objects, and we're going to go to Boolean, and we're going to pick operand B, and kablam, there we go. Alright, so let's hit F4, spin that around. Because this piece is flat and it's going to stay flat, I'm not concerned about smoothing it or whatever. So let's again put another edit poly. Let's grab these edges, just those outer ones. So we'll deselect all of these. We're going to deselect all of these. And that hole in the middle. And then we're going to do a small chamfer. A very small chamfer. About like so. Okay. We have a little chamfer there. Do the same thing on the other side. Grab all these. Deselect all of these. Let's flip it around so we can see it. I'm going to deselect all these. And we're going to chamfer that. Okay. Now we have this wooden piece. Let's go back up to hierarchy, make sure that pivot point is going to be right in the center, because this is where it's going to swing from. Let's zoom in just to make sure. Get that centered nicely. Okay, there's that piece. Now let's save this as all wood parts. And let's save this as bottom weight wood. Okay. And save that again. It's all wood parts. Okay, and that's it for this one, and we'll get on to building the chimes in the next one. Okay, thanks.